Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be learning to find the missing, or we can say the unknown exponents. As you can see in this question, minus 3 to the power x plus 1 multiplied by minus 3 to the power 5 equals to minus 3 to the power 7. It's more having an equal to sign, a very different question, and we are going to do it by applying the law of exponents and negative exponent rules. So as you can see the heading, find the value of x in the following given questions. Okay, and you're going to apply the rules of exponents. So first of all, what we are going to do is, we'll keep the right side same because there's an equal to sign. We're going to apply the law of exponents for the left hand side. Now if you see, the bases minus 3 are multiplied. So we'll apply the rule of multiplication of bases and the powers gets added up. So we'll write it as negative 3 to the power of x plus 1 plus 5. Correct? That is equals to minus 3 to the power of 7. Now the power becomes x plus 1 plus 5 will become x plus 6. So that will be minus 3 to the power of x plus 6, which is equals to minus 3 to the power of 7. Now when you have an equal to sign and the bases are same, first rule. And the second rule, there is only one base on the left and there is the same base on the right, and there should be only one base, not like multiplication, division. You should simplify it and make it as one base on either side, on both the sides of the equations. The left side and the right side both are having single base, that is minus 3 and minus 3. Now since the bases are same, they will cancel off, and what remains is just your exponents. So x is to 6 plus 1 will become x plus 6, that is equals to 7. Again, why did I cancel off the bases? Because the bases were same and we had actually simplified as one single base. So the powers become equal. Now we are going to solve it by the method of solving linear equations or simple equations. So the 6 will go on the other side, means it will be a minus 6. So that will become 7 minus 6, that is equal to 1. So what's the value of 6? X. 1. So first I applied a raised to m multiplied by a raised to n, the multiplication law. And then I've simplified and cancelled the common base because there is an equal to sign. Let's take the next question. Now here the bases are 5. And first of all, we are simplifying the left hand side. What is the rule here? Division rule, means the power should be subtracted. So we'll write 5 to the power of x minus minus 3. Okay, minus because there's a division. That is equals to 5 to the power of 5. That will become 5 to the power of x minus of minuses plus 3, which is equals to 5 to the power of 5. Okay. Now clearly I have simplified it into a single base on the left and on the right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cancel off the bases. Okay. So what remains is the powers, which are going to be equal to each other. So x plus 3 will be equals to 5. Now the 3 has to go on the other side. So what will happen? It will become a minus. So x is equals to 5 minus 3, which is equal to 2. Hope this is clear. Now, in the previous two questions, the bases were a normal integer or a whole number. Now, if I'm having a base like a fraction, the rule goes the same way. Okay. But now, if you look into this question, my x is on the right side. Okay. So that means I have to simplify the left first and then proceed. So what is the sign between the bases? It's multiplication. So we are going to add the powers. So 5 by 7 to the power minus 3 plus of minus 11. Why minus 3 plus of minus 11? Why plus? Because the multiplication sign tells us to add the powers, which is equals to the right hand side will remain as such. Okay. Now minus 3 plus of minus 11, we'll simplify it as minus 3 plus of minus is minus 11, which is equals to 5 over 7 to the power of 7x. Okay. Let's go to the next step. So this will be a 5 over 7 minus 3 minus 11 means added. So it's minus 14, which is equals to 5 over 7 to the power of 7x. Now, did I simplify the left hand side as single base? Yes. On the right also have a single base? Yes. So the bases are same, so cut it off. So minus 14 equals to 7x. So here the 7 is multiplied to x. That means it will go to the other side and it will be divided. Okay? Is equals to x. So when you simplify, you will get minus 2 equals to x. Hope this was clear. Okay? I have taken a few more questions. Next, my fraction is 2 over 9. Okay? And a little bit more twisted equation. So let's write down. We'll simplify the left side. There is a multiplication sign, so my power should be added. So 2 over 9, 3 plus of minus 6, which is equals to 2 over 9, 2x minus 1. Okay. Next, 2 over 9 to the power of 3 plus of minus means minus 6, which is equals to 2 over 9 to the power of 2x minus 1. Correct? Which will change as 2 over 9 to the power of 3 minus 6 minus 3, which is equals to 2 over 9 to the power of 2x minus 1. Okay? So what we are going to do now, the bases are same. The bases are simplified as one common base. So cut it off. Okay. So what I'm going to get, minus 3 equals to 2x minus 1. Okay. So let's simplify that. So first thing which will be going is negative 1. We are going to take it to the other side. So negative 1 will become a positive. So minus 3 plus 1 will be equals to 2x. So minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2, which is equals to 2x. So divide by 2 because 2 is multiplied with x. So minus 2 divided by 2 is x, which is x equals to minus 1. Hope this is clear. Next. Again, multiplication sign, so power should be added. So let's write it 7 over 4 to the power minus 3 plus of minus 5. Okay. Equals to 7 over 4 to the power of x minus 2. So now this will open as minus 3 plus of minus. So that will be given as, written as 7 over 4 to the power of minus 3 plus of minus is minus 3, which is equal, sorry, minus 5. Plus of minus is minus and 5. Then 7 over 4 to the power of x minus 2. Now, negative 3, negative 5 will add up. So my power will change as negative 8, which is equals to 7 over 4 to the power of x minus 2. Bases are same? Yes. Single base? Yes. So cut it off. So the equation will be minus 8 equals to x minus 2. The 2 will go to the other side. It's a minus 2. If it goes to the other side, it will be negative 8 plus 2 equals to x. So negative 6 equals to x. Okay. So we are simplifying by applying the laws of exponent. Okay. I've taken a few questions here, which I'm going to just give you a quick hint. So here it's a multiplication. So what will happen with the powers? They'll add up. So 2x minus of plus, sorry, plus of minus. So that will be minus 1 equals to minus 9. Something you should end up having this. Okay. Same way here, if you see 3 and minus 6, they'll be added. Correct? So that will be a minus 3 equals to 2m minus 1. You should get, I'm just giving you a hint what you should get. Okay. Then in the last one, minus 3 plus of my 10. Minus 3 plus of minus 10, because multiplication means the powers will be added. So I should get a 7 equals to 3m plus 1. Further, you have to solve the equation. I'm just giving you the hint. Okay. Next, x plus 1 minus 2. So it will be an x plus 1 minus 2 equals to 5. Now plus 1 minus 2, that will change as what? Yes, minus 1. So your equation will turn out as x minus 1 equals to 5. So the powers will be x minus 1 and 5. Okay. These are just your hints. Now, the division. So it's a x. Division means subtraction. So minus of minus will be a plus 3, which is equals to 6. Further, you have to solve. Next, 2x. Multiplication of the bases means addition of the powers. So 2x plus 4 equals to 10. Again, this is just an hint. You have to follow step by step and solve it. Okay? Hope you understood. Thank you.